Hey, welcome back. This week's recipe from the farm, I'm making eggplant. I'm going to be doing a Thai red curry stir fry. Lots of great veggies involved, lots of flavors, simple to make and it cooks real quick. Check it out. I'm going to start off by making my sauce. Got about 3 tablespoons of tamari or soy sauce, about a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, teaspoon of sugar, a little extra water. Gonna mix that up. Let's set that aside. That's gonna go in later. Take a couple cloves of garlic. That's how I like to crack my garlic. Find it easier to peel that way. Gonna cut up finely. I'm gonna take my eggplant, or aubergine as I like to call it. I'm gonna cut it in half, and you could use like 2 to 3. 2 eggplants is probably enough, and I'm doing a little bit of a roll cut here just to add some interest in the shapes of the eggplant. I'm gonna take one kind of medium small head of broccoli, take the florets off that, cut up one little onion, just nice little pieces, and 1 bell pepper. The pepper's actually starting to turn color on the farm, but so the next couple weeks we'll have some red and yellow peppers. So I'm going to put the eggplant into, or aubergine, into a nice hot pan. And I'm going to saute that on a fairly high heat with a neutral oil. Just to kind of get it browned up on all sides, maybe 3 or 4 minutes. So you can see the cut there, and that's looking pretty darn good. So I'm going to take the eggplant off the pan. And then I'm going to start cooking my other veggies. Add a little more oil. I'm going to throw in the onions and broccoli. It'll take about the same amount of time. Keep just sort of flipping those around. High heat so it cooks pretty quickly. And with this, you're trying to like cook the veggies but not make them mushy. So that's why we're using a higher heat, and we're using an oil that can handle that kind of heat. Mix those around. I added the peppers. Now I'm using a spoon because the little flippy thing, and yes, that is the technical term for flipping veggies in the pan. Saute the peppers for about 4 minutes. I'm going to add my spices and my garlic, just for like 30 seconds to get the spices to bloom. And there's my sauce. I'm going to mix that all up. I'm going to add back the eggplant and continue to cook it. Just a few more minutes, just to kind of combine everything, cook the sauce down. And then I take it off when it's starting to look saucy but not super thick, because it'll keep thickening as it cools. So you don't have to do too much. There, that looks perfect. All right, quick little stir fry's done. Give this a try. Mmm. That is so tasty. Nice little crunch to the veggies. The soy sauce absorbed right up by the eggplant. Wow, it's a really good one to try out with your eggplant. So until next time, keep planting, keep cooking, do something good. So good.